guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Andesdemonia. I literally just woke up, so please do not judge me. Today is the very final day before my surgery. So my surgery is March 2nd, and today's March 1st. I have quite a lot to do today. I have to, clean my room, get in my final workout, meal prep for the week, just so I have enough veggies and food for the week. And I'm really not, straining to do all of this. I also have to do my manicure, pedicure, wash my hair, wash my dog as well. So all of these things are things that I do on a daily basis, but I know that because of my surgery, I won't be able to strain as much, at least for the first month. So I'm really trying to get all of this done so that I'm comfortable for the entire month. Today is really going to be like so basic. You're not going to see me in makeup, and I'm just gonna be all over the place. So I really hope that you enjoy this vlog. So let's get right into it. So I just came from making up my bed. I just have that table to organize, and also this reading table to organize, and then that should be it. I really didn't have a lot to clean on here, so I just clean the floor and I should be done. This is me right back from cleaning my room. I couldn't go around with you guys holding my device because I just had a lot to do and I really wanted to get it over with. So I really apologize for that. So after I was done cleaning my room, I went ahead and I cleaned the entire house. So from the living room to the kitchen, the guest bathroom, and my bathroom as well. And I'm not cleaning it because they're actually dirty. I mean, I live in a big house with just my mom and my sister. We're not that disorganized. But the reason why I'm cleaning it is because you don't want to be in an environment where, there's dust collecting or, just very little sort of kind of things. Just so, you speed up your healing process, because you just never know what could contaminate your your wounds, and the last thing you want to do is return to the OR because of some bacterial infection. You really don't want that. Oh, secondly too, you know very well that you're gonna have guests, and if you're gonna have guests, then you want to make them as comfortable as. So I live in a house where we have staircase, and I know very well I won't be able to come down because I'm gonna be drowsy or something, and so my guests will be able to come upstairs, and I don't want them to see things that they shouldn't be seeing anyways. So I cleaned my reading areas just to keep my documents private, and also to clean my laundry so they don't need to see my dirty laundry. So you should keep that in mind as well. But if you don't have stairs and you think it's something that you can walk to the living room to go see them, hey, go right ahead. I'm not gonna stop you. All the same, it's all up to you. I went ahead and I did my laundry. So once I did all of that, I cooked food. It's always advisable for you to fill your diet, to fill your body at this moment with vegetables, because you're going to be on pain meds, and the pain meds, the side effects is constipation. And if you're already getting constipated without pain meds, it's just obvious that you should be on more veggies at this period. So I went ahead and I made some spinach, made some other healthy vegetables, and I have salads available too for those snacking times when I want to just snack on something but I really don't want to eat. So I have that too. What else do you also need? I also went ahead and I took off all the nail polish from my hands and from my feet, because I was told that I shouldn't have any body lotion on, no deodorant, no lipstick or lip gloss or lip balm, and also for my feet. So I went ahead and I took off all the nail polish from my nails and from my toes. You know, I washed them, kept them clean. So again, you're removing all the bacteria, because you don't want to be touching, or I don't want to be touching, this area that I know has fresh wounds, because it could get easily infected. So just do what as you're told, because it's just for what, couple of days, and then I'm gonna go back right on with my red with my red nail polish. So it's not going to be that long, so you just have to be patient. So I went ahead and I did that as well. Lastly, I also washed my face. So I did like a very deep cleanse of my face. I washed my face properly. I know as a woman you're supposed to do that, but let's be honest, how many times do you really have like a deep cleanse? So I just took the moment to, you know, deep cleanse my face, especially since I'm not gonna have any makeup and I don't want them, you know, to see certain things, you know, in my face and all that. And since I'm not gonna have lotion, I went ahead, I did a deep cleanse with coconut oil and some baking soda as well in the end, just so my color brightens up. This is good. The coconut oil is still going to, you know, keep my face a little bit moisturized the next day, which is tomorrow, and it's gonna prevent that ashiness, because this is early March and it's cold over here. So I'm dark skinned, so the least moment I go outside there, I'm gonna be as ashy as. So the coconut oil is really going to help that, and it's also going to help my lips from being so dry and white. So that's why I also did a deep cleanse of my face. The biggest thing that I did, oh man, and when I was doing it, I got so much pleasure, I won't lie to you, was trash away my old bras. Yes, I trashed them. Yes, I trashed them, and I found so much joy just going through my bra section in the room and, you know, removing all those big bras, those old bras. Like, I was a 40 double G. I just stopped buying bras because bras are expensive. I mean, comment below if you think so. Bras are expensive. My bras will not cost me anything less than, you know, $60 for a good support bra. I'm not talking about a bra where you're just trying to be, you know, all chic for your man, or you just want something that, you know, just holds you a little bit in the house but not really hold you anyhow. I'm talking about a good support bra that you need for work. And the kind of work that I do, I need a support bra that will help me stand for at least 13 hours. So my bras will not cost me anything less than $60 at the minimum. So when I looked at those bras, I was like, oh, I stopped buying them. To be honest, I was just like reusing the old ones, because one, I was a student, and two, I'm not spending $60 on no bra. So I'm very excited that this process is going to be done for me. So when I was going through that bra section, I was so happy, you know, going through it, trashing the ones that were really bad, that, you know, trashing the really bad bras, and then the ones that were so pretty, I really felt hurt. Like my pink bras and my, you know, my white ones, and oh man, I have this like polka dot pink bra. Just thinking about it, it makes my heart melt. But that's a challenge for me. It means I need a new pink polka dot bra. Yes. Yeah, so definitely I did go through that section and I trashed all the bras, but some of the bras that came with underwears that I really loved, I kept the underwears and I trashed the bras. Since I told you guys also that my family is very busty, so I went ahead as well and selected the really good ones I still have, and I'm going to be donating that to some of my family members who are in need of it. I mean, if they don't need it, it goes to the trash, or we can donate it to Goodwill or some other place if they want it. I don't know if they're gonna take bras, but if they do, hey, some woman is gonna be lucky, because all my bras are very expensive. I didn't buy a $10 bra. So that was some really good news, and I was so happy when I was doing that process. I also cleaned my dog. I washed him. I gave him a bath. I'm gonna insert pictures of my dog. His name is Midnight. He's He's almost going to be 3 actually in October. October is going to make him 3 years old, and I had him since he was born. So I went ahead and I washed him just so I don't strain within this month to do so. I'm sure he can wait for 1 month for another bath, so it'll be fine for him. So that's all right. But for now, I went ahead, washed him, you know, pampered him a little bit because he knows his mama is not gonna have time for that. So I definitely did that. I splurged a little bit on him. Also, I know I did mention in the previous video about like things that you definitely need during your, you know, your breast reduction surgery. I bought some, but I didn't buy all of it. So today this is the final thing that I'm going to be doing. Once I'm done with this video, I'm gonna go around and buy the very final things that I didn't get so that my set is complete. I'm also going to be making a separate video on the things that you will need for your surgery. A must have. So please, I'm also going to insert the link to that video at the bottom of this video. So if you just want to go directly onto that, please do not forget to click on it and watch it. It's definitely going to be something that you will need if you're going through the same procedure. So thank you very much for watching my channel. Thank you for all the support. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thumbs up this video if you thought it was, you know, a good video, so that I know that you like this video and that you want more of these kinds of videos. If you haven't clicked on the bell yet, go ahead and click on that bell so you get notifications each time that I post a video on YouTube. So thank you again for watching this. Thank you for your support. It's really not easy filming this process and exposing my life to the world, but I believe that people ought to know this. That's why I'm sharing my own story with others. So if you think there's someone who needs to watch this, please do not be afraid to send them a link of this video so that they can watch it. If you think there's someone who is still on the fence thinking about whether to do this surgery or not, please send them that link, because I know exactly how it feels. It took me 2 years to decide if I wanted to do this surgery or not. 2 years, and it took me an extra 3 more years to set a date for this surgery. So I really do resonate with others. If you want to learn more or hear more about my story, please follow me. Please, you know, subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you again.